Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be finishing up this bedroom makeover for my son. So I'm just showing you guys how it looked before and the projects that I've done to get to this point, just repairing some drywall, and then I went in with this dark navy color, Benjamin Moore's Hale Navy, and I was a little bit nervous about it at first because I've never done a room this dark, but I ended up loving it. And then his Lego table got a makeover in that same color and some new little Lego plates for the top. And then we built a Nerf rack for all of his guns. And the biggest project that we've done so far is to make these sliding closet doors into French doors. So I learned a lot on that project, added some door knobs, and that's where we left off. So let's get started. Okay, we are starting off today's video by framing out this window. I didn't want to do curtains in here because they would just get pulled down most likely in a little boy's room. So I just wanted to dress this window up a little bit. So I am removing the trim from the bottom, and I'm also removing this window sill right here. And then I am going to use that as a template when I cut a new window sill, which you'll see in just a minute. You might be wondering why I couldn't just use the windowsill that was already there, but I had to cut a new one because these little side pieces right here were not wide enough. They did not stick out far enough because I'm going to be putting 1x4 boards on the side of the window, so I needed those to go out at least that far, and the previous ones did not. With our sideboards up, it's time to build the header for the top of this window trim. Now, you want to do this definitely before you install it. It's much easier to install it in one piece as separate pieces. And typically I use a 1x6 for the main piece and then 1x2s for the top and the bottom. But to save some money, I'm actually using some strips that were cut off the sides of the doors when we trimmed them to fit the closet because I already had them. So I try to reuse what I can. So I'm just nailing those in with my nail gun, and then I will put those up and caulk everything so it's seamless, and then everything will get a coat of paint. Okay, you can see I added these shims, and this is why. Like, this part of the window sticks, or actually the wall sticks out further, and so in order for it to be like completely
how it's supposed to be, it causes this gap on this side. So I had to shim it out, and then we'll just fill that with caulk and paint it. Okay, the painting is all done, the building is all done, and I went ahead and painted this dresser. See, it looks kind of dark in the monitor. But I went ahead and painted this dresser to match the walls because the other color was just like a different blue that I didn't want. Now all that's left to do is the fun part, to decorate and start adding some life back into this room. I'm gonna start with the rug and the bedding because those are like the main things before I add in different decor.
It was really important to me that this room reflect my son's personality. I wanted him to definitely feel like this was his space. So I made sure to ask him what he wanted out of this room. And he had a few requests. He wanted the darker color. He wanted a place that he could display all of his Legos builds that he makes. He also wanted a mirror in the closet, which I did put, which you'll see later. And he wanted the closet doors to swing open. And I added this little growth chart here that I made years ago, and we have moved so much, so I'm able to take it with me and see how much my kids have grown over the years. That's one of my favorite parts of this room. And then I just added in some extra decorations that I really thought were reflective of his personality, like the controller and the Duke picture. And I think he's really gonna like all of the pieces that it really reminded me of him.
Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh my goodness! This is so cool! force is strong with this one. Shoes, those are cool. This is cool. I like that. Duke! Let's go, Duke!
Boo.
Oh my goodness. I like how this looks on this. Oh, this is cool. What's in here?
It's just storage.
Ooh, I feel like I could put stuff in there. This is more storage.
Mm-hmm.
This is new. So is this. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I don't even know what to say. Oh my goodness.
Another makeover done, another room finished in our home. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how you guys think that it turned out, and make sure that you're subscribed because I still have lots more rooms to do in this house. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye!